This is a Class 399, better known as the Sheffield Supertram Tram-Train. In service since 2017, these are quite unique in the UK as it's one of few places where light rail trains run on the same tracks as heavy rail trains, and it's also the only one that I can reasonably get to. The trams run on network rail tracks alongside the trains of Network Rail for around 5 km from Meadowhall to Rotherham, with Rotherham station, the only stop of the line that's on heavy rail tracks, having separate platforms from the heavy rail trains. I've been wanting to visit this place for a while and only recently have I been able to, so without further ado, let's visit it. So, we're going to Sheffield. 1 hour train journey starts now. Well, not now, it's like 1 hour 20 minutes and it doesn't start for another 10. Here we are at Sheffield. Now we need to find the trams. So the plan is, first of all, we're going to go to the end of the line here at Middlewood, and then we're going to ride it back down to Meadowhall and then get them. I'm not sure when the next tram will be. We'll be in some time, so yeah. And here's our tram to Middlewood, the technically first one of the... Right, so the plan is now to go down to Meadowhall and then, don't know,
get some scran,
and then maybe go and do the tram train bit to Rotherham. So we're currently at Middlewood now, and we're gonna head back towards Sheffield and through. So yeah.
Hold tight, please.
Silly me, forgot to record us going out of Meadowhall, but we've had something to eat. We're going to do the tram train to Rotherham, so let's do that. And that's the cool thing about the Supertram's tram-train section. Get right next to actual trains, and the screaming children. Jacob, what do you think of these screaming children?
I don't mind.
And that's the cool thing about the tram train, you get these small trams running next to big regular trains, so let's head back up to the other side, and yeah, it's over here and head back up to Sheffield. Yeah, don't think we're going just yet, but yeah. Well, I forgot to record other tram stuff. This one that we just got on is now departing. I'd say it ends off this video here. What do you think?
I think Supertram is going to rate it highly and eventually because it's all
That's going to be sped up.
You always speed my content up.
Yeah, because view retention. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.
See ya.
Also, one final thing that I forgot to note, but I will do so now. Make sure to subscribe at 10k subscribers, which we're like 3,000 subscribers away from. I will visit every single Manchester Metrolink stop in a day. So if you want to see me do that, make sure to subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.